and stringed green and blue off camera just to save time. And as you saw me doing it, I was stringing orange and this fuchsia color straws separately, which I learned there's better ways to do it. So I took a huge long string, a fishing line string, and string 2 colors together. I could have done 3 colors, but I don't have enough room or enough space on fishing line right there, so I'm gonna cut it and hang these 2 colors, and then go back to yellow and finish the whole backdrop that way. And at the end of this DIY, I'm gonna play with some lighting, see what works best, and yes. So you guys, this is my finished backdrop with straws. It was absolutely and so different to work with straws than working with paper. And at first I thought to scratch the whole thing and just not share it with you guys, but then I finished it and I played with lighting, and I kind of like it. It's really different and unique from any other backdrops that I've seen or done. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. And come by, say hi, like, share, subscribe for more videos. The only thing that I really don't like is that all of these straws in the middle, they're kind of pulling the fabric to the right, and I keep on staring at it. Let me know, you guys. Let me know if you see it, and if it bugs you, comment down below, because I definitely stare at that spot. I tried to fix it and it's not really fixable. Maybe if you spread the middle around the fabric more, it would not pull as much. But this is the look I was going for, and I just had to pin everything on one spot. One more thing I want to share with you is how I hang all of my straws. So I took the pins and I pinned into the fabric. And as I showed you, I went into the fabric and came back, so that way it holds the weight real well. And I hang all of my fishing line, kind of hooked it on these pearls. So that's how this fabric holds all of these straws. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.